We are back and we are going for it. We will be doing algorithm stuff today. So I'm guessing a lot of it will be learning stuff. I'm also back on the PC. So I've got the two monitors, so I'll be able to basically, do some more kind of learning research stuff a lot quicker. So I wonder if we'll keep it at one, but there could potentially be multiple algorithms. What I'm really curious to do, we'll bring this here. If I go to here, perfect, okay. So let's look at this. I'm just trying to see if there's any kind of analysis here that we could potentially do. So we can't get news, but we can't get that. I mean, we could maybe add that in today actually to see if the market's open. Why don't we do that? Let's have it when we kind of run this. So it'll say, alright, where's main? So we create the thing here. So we have commands. Let's just print ln market status. And we'll just do a new line here. No, we'll do a new line here. I'm just going to put in true, just to show that it would be like open. Huh. So it's not printing anything. Weird. Did I not save? Oh, I didn't save, alright, so market status. Going to see I'm on the because I'm on the keyboard. I'm not completely familiar with key bindings. So market status is going to basically be we need to make a function saying function we have is market open, and it doesn't take anything in, but it will return a Boolean. This will require us to have access to the API, so let's go to this one. We want to give it a Tokyo main because we are, yeah, it's also an async function. Why is this red? right. It's because we're not actually. Huh. Don't know why that's not working. Yeah, it's gonna either be a boolean. So basically, I want to grab the FinHub API key. I want to do this, but we know the URL is going to be because we want the we want this whole thing here. We don't need this or this. So I do save. Let me just see if I can get this on the same line. Nope, that's fine. Let me debug response. Why are we not getting some? It wants us to do like this. Huh. We're not even calling. Is market open? Let's say is market open. We'll say x equals, or let x equal that. Alright, and then yeah, so that's fine. Is open, so we want to do that should return basically if the market's open or not. It's false. Can I unwrap this? Unwrap? No. How do you get? It should be a 0? No way. No. No. Because it's not that. False. I know we have definitely before used like number and stuff. Where is it? So maybe I just do dot as boolean. No, it is some false. Maybe not that one. Let me try this. What we want is open. We say open or closed equals value as bool. And then length is basically set up here. We'll say by default open up. Basically, we'll say it's by default it's closed because it would be better to let it be. This is a boolean. Huh. Huh. Let's see what the compiler's saying. Oh, I'm an idiot. It can't be mutable. It has to be mutable. So if I were to return that, let's now go and it's returning OK false. Perfect. So we're returning it was an OK and it was a false. Perfect. Now let's say open or closed, and then we'll say let's match it. So match open, no, open or close. I'll say rename market status. So match market status. Oh, how do you do a match statement again? Here. So we match it. We say if we get an OK, we know is open. We want to send into this, and we just basically say we'll say open or closed, and we'll say let market status equal true. Basically, if you get an OK, oh no, if is open is equal to true, then let market status equal true. Else it's gonna, well, it only returns OK if it's true or false, so we know let market status equal false. Okay, and then we have to cover the error. So if we get an error of E, let me just something's not right. What have I done differently to here? There's an extra colon here. So we match, we open and we close. We open this, okay, we close this. Oh, we need another one here. And then basically we're just gonna we'll say let market status. Oh, let's make it mutable. Oh, mutable market status equals closed, and market status and then let's just say market status equals open, closed. So, oh, now that should be now for us. It should say market closed. Market status closed. Oh, that's a nice quality of life feature. I'll just commit. I'll say quality of life shows if market is open / closed. That's a really nice quality of life feature. But anyway, back to checking to see. Okay. Company news. Interesting. So unfortunately there's no positive or negative, so you would, to figure out if this news is positive or negative, you would need to have an AI. So that's obviously not in this budget. Basic financials. See, let's ask GPT. So I'm building a basic stock trading bot. Now I'm on to the algorithm part. What are some simple algorithms that I can implement? I'm curious because I've not really thought like kind of algorithm stuff what I could do. GPT is quite slow today. Don't know what's going on. True. Okay, this is a really simple one. Two moving averages. Okay, let's see if there is averages here. Stock estimates. Let's see if we can get some averages here, or do I have to calculate this myself? Price metrics. This is premium. This is what we need. Because this looks like it shows us the averages, the 10-day average and the 50-day average. Damn, that would have been good. Okay. Can we get That's real-time data. Can we get previous? Can I get previous price? Oh, no. Um, FinHub stock price history. Sorry for the. Oh, oh. I'm trying to figure out where. Huh. Where we get the price of the stock. So get current stock price. I want to find this. It's got this stupid. Is it this one? Yeah, this is what I'm. Huh. No, because we're just. Well, we just get the C. I don't see a C in here. Am I being an idiot? Being an idiot, I can't find. Okay, well, I want to just basically. So I need to just. Let me open up a trade of Apple one share. What is this? I can't find this. Is it? This one was it. Okay, this is the one we do, so we don't. Okay. I don't. There's nothing interesting that we could maybe potentially grab from there, unfortunately. There's no volume information here, is what I'm saying. Like okay, we're looking at GPT giving us some options for the FinHub API. This one seems very interesting. I'm actually going to open up this and get some of this written down. Let's see. Personal. I'm just bringing up my Obsidian here. Let's get some. So I'll go to I think this one looks very interesting. I have to admit. This one. To me, this seems very potential. You could basically, when the price moves, so we track the price at open. When the price moves, like let's say the price book jumps 2%, well, we just buy. Yeah, we buy, and then once we're up, like 5%, we sell. And then because a lot of the time at the beginning of the market open, it'll just go crazy and yeah, okay. So that I think this is really a good one to do. This is also seems to be a bit more interesting one. Moving average. I think that this one we could do as well, but I think we're going to do it in the kind of the order that they've given it to us. That doesn't matter realistically. So I think we're going to basically work on implementing this algorithm, and because it's a Sunday, markets aren't open, and then we can try it tomorrow on Monday. Hopefully. Okay. Clear, cargo run. We're still printing something that we don't need to be printing. Are we printing it and maybe in the we are. Correct, let me run this again. Oh. That's not the error. There's a Unicode character on 336. Huh. Okay. Market's closed. We want to go to algo mode. No, there's no. Oh yeah. There's no algorithm implemented yet. Where's the algorithm menu function? Okay, here. Let's call this. Let's just call it percentage change trigger. And so we'll just say that because for right now. And we'll say algo mode, and then we'll call it basically whenever I'll do that so you kind of know, like when you're entering algo mode, we're in the percentage change trigger one. We're starting with this, obviously because there's no algorithm. So let's just say let list of tickers to watch. We're going to make this a vector of strings, slices of strings, only because I've got a feeling that we might want to add the ability to append, and you know, it's funny, I actually don't know. I never set vectors straight away. I would have set arrays, so I don't actually know how to kind of start off with actually having vector in Rust, add initial items. So can we add some stocks to? Yep, use an empty one, which I'll let you guys see as well. Use an empty one. We push, but we don't want to push. Oh, here we go. Bam. That's the format, the syntax. Oh, that's the syntax. So it's back like this, and then like this. So we say, let's just say we wanted to watch Apple and Tesla with this. So we have an algorithm now. So I'll say println tickers watching. Do you ever type something so many times that you just it seems like it's spelled wrong? We want to go to algorithm mode. We're starting percentage change trigger algorithm. We're starting with $0. We're watching Apple and Tesla. Okay, basically, I kind of want to do this first, and then have the prints all together. like this. So we're going to basically loop. Now, we're going to say, okay. Let me go to open a trade, and to open up a trade, we know that these will be valid tickers. We know it's valid ticker. We say open trade here. Right, this is how you get the price per share. So when we start the loop, we're going, oh no, I guess we don't need to loop that constantly. We say initial price for tickers is going to be a hash map, and the key is going to be ticker, and the value is going to be price. Oh wait. And ticker is a str, and then this is an F32, hash map new. Why is this not giving me something? Oh, this needs to be mutable as well. Okay, so we want to say for ticker in tickers to watch. We want to say price equals. Well, yeah, we'll do that. That should get us the price per share, and then we simply say initial price for the ticker dot. Is it push? No, it's not. It'll tell me in the compiler what I should use. No, how to push to a hash map in Rust. How to push to hash map in Rust. Is it add? I think it might be add. Oh, it might be insert. Yeah, insert. We're going to insert ticker. I'm going to insert ticker and price per share. And then I want to debug this. The only thing that's not working is our insert y. Expected that. Oh. I'm going to go algorithm mode. Okay. Boom. Okay, so this is our initial prices, and it's a hash map. Okay, so this basically sets the initial prices for the ones that we're kind of watching. And if I was to add, let's add NVIDIA, let's add AMD. I'm sure it'll just as easily, add them. Oh, I guess actually to do this and then do this. There's the initial price for all of them. So you run the algorithm at market open, and you basically say, okay, so we're going to loop over the initial price for the ticker. So we're going to say, so we're on our mainlet part, we're going to say floor stock in. So now we're looping through this. Why isn't it like this? Alright, because of that. Huh. I should be able to just print. This should work, so why is it not working? First, where do we need to borrow it? What is the... Oh crap. Endlessly loop. Okay. So we're basically going to say let current stock price equal stock dot zero, because that's our ticker. We compare current price to open initial price to see percentage difference. So you say that per. Yep. What's up?
Can you go on your phone and check the shopping list?
Yeah, I'm busy right now, but I can check later, yeah.
No, you're doing working.
What's wrong with the shopping list?
I just want to see what's coming up for you. Mine change things and it lumps things on the list too.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll check later. So... So the way to find the percentage difference is, obviously we know the difference between this is 10%. Is it not? That's a 10% increase. Am I stupid? Wait, really? Because, I mean, maybe I'm being an idiot. Yeah. What? Okay, anyway, so the formula is basically num1 minus num2, and then you divide it by, oh wait, oh no, the actual difference of these two numbers is this, but we're more caring about, what if I was to do 90? See, this isn't giving me positive or negative. I want positive or negative. So if we were to, okay, but we can just do this really quickly with Python. So we say 100 minus 90 divided by 100 gives us 0.1. What about 100 minus 110 divided by 100? Oh, okay, wait. So if the initial, so let's say the stock price is now at 110 and the initial price is that. That's going to say it's up 10%, but if the current price is 90 and the initial price was 100, what is that? Okay, so we need to do to allow for okay, let me just actually keep that here, keep this here, quickly do this. So ours is going to be current price minus initial price divided by 100. So this allows for negative. Okay, so I'll bring this back here so we can oh wait, no, this is going to still so the percentage difference is going to equal current stock price minus the stock dot 1, because that's the initial price, divided by 100. So we print ln, we're saying stock with this ticker. So stock Apple, we'll say new line, and we'll say initial price was this. We'll say current price is this, and then we'll say percent difference is this. So we need to give in the stock dot 0 because that's the string. The initial price is stock dot 1. The current price is current stock price. And the difference is what we call it. We call it percentage difference. Save. Do this. Now we don't want to do this every time. So I don't actually have the sleep thing saved, so I'm going to quickly hop onto GitHub to grab it, because I think I must have removed it in one of the commits. I know we had it in one a little bit ago. Let me view the whole file. No, we don't. Maybe it was in here. Yeah, there we go. It'll be in this one. Right, algorithm menu function. Here's where we define it, and then let's go here. Found it. So we want to basically only check the stock. Can I just put 10,000 in here? No, you can't. This is annoying. Can I actually just say this? And then put like 10,000 milliseconds, which is every 10 seconds. No, you can't. Oh, wait. Okay, this works. We're going to sleep 10,000 milliseconds. But I guess it is a little bit easier to read if you do it like this. This is 10 seconds. So every 10 seconds it'll check the price. It's kind of annoying that, oh, yeah, it's not market open because we can't actually check to see if it works because the percentage difference is always going to be 0. Let me actually say initial price. It's in dollars, and then this is a percentage save. There's no quit currently for the algorithm mode. I probably should make it wait 10 seconds after doing the loop. So Tesla's initial price and current price, there's no percentage difference. Perfect. So this appears to be working. This is a nice comment, actually. I know that this is thingy because there's no escape from this. Do we have access to the portfolio in here? We do. Perfect. Now you say, so this is still in the loop. If percentage difference is greater than, so if it's greater than 2, that means I want to open up a trade. Oh, we'd like to open up a trade along that. We don't even need to check that. We don't need to validate anything. And we're just gonna, we'll say one share. So it's simply this. We're gonna put in number of shares equal, we're just gonna do 1 for simplicity, and we don't need to expect anything here. Alright, let me do this. And let me say it's the F32. I also want to, this is just going to be stock 0. And that should work. I don't know why it's not. Probably because it's borrowing 174. Oh yeah, I guess if we're mutating the portfolio, we need to say that we are. And then what I want to do is also say this. So if I do compile, we do this. This is going to get the initial price of everything. And it will cost, we have no open trades. Oh wait, no, we want to check for the open trades after we've looped through everything. Let's try that. So I also want to stop looping sleeping. At the very beginning, it's really annoying. So you could just basically calculate the percentage you want to risk. This is checking every 10 seconds. Well, See, me entering stuff doesn't do anything. To manually close it like this. Interesting. This is very interesting. So we're going to open up a trade if the stock has gained 2% today. Now it would be fun to monitor a load of stocks. Yeah, let me try this. Give me lots of volatile stocks in this format. 25, please. Oh, actually, we might get API limited on 25. Let's try this and see. We're watching quite a lot of tickers. We have no open trade. It'd be great if we could bulk quote, because we're going to get API limit here because that's 25. Yeah, we panicked here because we queried too many in a minute. I don't want to panic, I just want to. So we're on 54 panicked. Because you can't par. Did we fail to par? Did it say that? No. Kind is invalid. Oh. Oh no, 45 as well. 50. Oh, 40. Oh, right. Okay, so we're not handling. That's fine. We right now we're not handling for that many things. If we're checking every 10 seconds, and our limit was 35 per minute, how many 10 seconds is there in a minute? There's 6. So 35 divided by 6, we can do a maximum of 5 stocks that we're watching. Okay, let's pick 5. Palantir's good, Tesla's good. I don't want this. Don't want this. Don't want this. Nvidia's always fun to watch. Boring. Let's watch GameStop. That'll be funny. Neo's going crazy always. And same with this. Is that 5? Nope, get rid of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can go. We shouldn't get rate limited anymore. Let's do this and let's run algorithm mode. I'm just going to sit here and watch, because if we're doing 5 calls every 10 seconds, every minute we're going to do 30 calls, so that won't break the limit. I think we're only doing, because in the algorithm actually that could bust the algorithm. No, it won't, because this will be perfect. This should be perfect. Because, and it'll just constantly check our stocks. Obviously it's kind of pointless right now because it won't open any trades, because just going to commit this, our kind of first basic. I guess it's saying that we don't need this, basically, because we just infinite loop. Right, is that going to compile? We have no open trades. Let me give us 1,000. And the status of things, 1,000. Let's go to algorithm mode. Let's say that we want to Hmm. When we put, actually, let me check. I want to open up a share of Apple of 10 shares. Oh, doesn't let us do it. If we don't have enough money, 1 share of Apple, status is profit/loss in dollars. Where's that calculated? No, not this one. Status of all trades. Status of all trades. Okay. Oh, and it's saying we don't need this. What we probably should do is actually have the percentage gain as well. We figured out to do here. We do current stock price minus that. So now if we quit, we go again. We don't have enough shares. Oh, invalid chicken only goes at 1,000. We're not have a trade up. Well, Apple 1 share. And we'll get status. We know that gain/loss. Perfect. Okay, so we don't need to commit this yet. Actually, cargo. Well, it kind of seems like we have done what I wanted to do today, which is get the basic. Well, no, let's finish. Let me finish. No, we're just at normal percent zoom. Right, let me get to the algorithm here. Right, so this is checking if the percentage difference every time. Right, okay. This is in loop now. I want to say for open trade in portfolio dot open trades. I want to go and see how we close a trade. Closing trade, spot wrong. You enter the UUID and you just run. Okay, that's actually not bad. So we're going to check and we're going to say if open trade dot we're going to have to calculate the percentage difference ourselves. Okay, and because I don't want to recall the percentage, we're going to check. So we're currently at a certain price. If the stock ticker symbol is in basically what I want to say is for open basic, yeah, okay, so we're going to loop through all this. For open trade, basically for all the open trades, if the current stock that we're looking at is equal to the open trade dot ticker, So basically, I think we have to put .to string. Let me see why this is failing. To borrow this. That's fine. So if basically we're now looking for a stock. We're going through each stock. Now we're checking for each open trade in our open trade if the stock that we're currently getting data for is open in a trade. We want to say, let's figure out the percentage difference, which will be the current stock price, which we calculate here, minus, not that, we want to do open trade dot initial value. Oh, wait a minute. When we're opening a trade, is it going to call? Holy crap, every time we open up a trade, we... Oh, no, because we're going to be using this one. And that does get the current price per share. Okay. So, the percentage difference is going to be the current stock price. So we'll say trade percentage gain or loss. If the percentage that we've made is greater than 5, if we've made 5%, no, if we've made 10% on a trade, we want to say close. So this is how you open up a trade. We're closing a trade, and that's how you do it there. We give it the open.trade.uuid, that should work. Just borrow it, maybe? Okay, let me try to figure out how to bust this out. So it does think the best course of action is to borrow. Okay. But because it's already been borrowed, it's borrowed here, we can't give it away. Okay, let's not borrow it and see what happens. Okay, let me think. We're gonna look through each open trade if the stock that we're currently looking at is an open trade, and I want to figure out the percentage difference and if the percentage gain or loss is greater than 10%. That would be a gain if the percentage gain is greater than 10%. I want to close the trade. Okay, so how would I go about fixing this? Man, this is going to be a tricky one. So portfolio was borrowed here and then it's borrowed later. Okay. How could we fix this? We could loop through and just store a bunch of UUIDs. So for an open portfolio, so for every open trade in the portfolio. Oh, wait a minute. It was because I didn't want to get rid of that. I wanted to keep it. But that would still, even if we recheck that, it would still be an issue. I wonder what GPT, I know we don't like GPT, but what you would think of this. But our error is because we're borrowing it, like it's gone. Like, how can I fix this? Yeah, that's what I thought we might have to do. Good idea. That's actually a really good idea. So for each loop, we're going to create a let mutable trades to. Oh, that's actually a really good call from GPT. I was thinking something similar, but we're going to create an empty vector. This is going to be of type UUID. UUID. Why is this not working? Oh wait, no, it's going to be a vector of UUIDs. That's fine, and then you basically just want to say trade to close open trade.uid dot push, and then once we've looped through, kind of, I don't know, we would do it. So we've looped through everything and found all the trades that we want to close, and we would say for each UUID in trades to close, you say we just give it portfolio, or we receive portfolio from close trade, and I'm going to give it portfolio and then just UUID. I want to algorithm mode. The issue is it's never gonna. So this says checks if checks so this loops over every open trade if the current symbol we are working on, we are grabbing price from, is in an open trade. We check the status of the trade, e.g. up 10%. If up 10%, we want to close the trade. And then this just closes any trade. So closes trades found earlier. So that's pretty fire if you ask me. We have implemented buying and selling for the algorithm. Okay, well I think that's gonna wrap it up today. We've actually created our algorithm here, which I'll actually explain what the algorithm does here. Okay, so this algorithm checks a list of stocks if price, so if initial price, oh wait a minute, we can get the opening price. We'll keep it at this to start with. If initial price, if stock has gone up 2% since initial price, then buy one share. And if the trade goes up 10%, close the trade. That's it. Boom. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching, guys. We're getting close. We're gonna be making peas. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys later.